Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Dodge Charger screen. A common and easy first step is performing a soft reset. First, turn your ignition to the run position, but keep the car in park. Then, simultaneously press and hold both the volume button and the tuner knob for about 10 to 20 seconds. For some models, holding the top right corner of the screen for 10 seconds also works. This simple action often clears minor software glitches, getting your screen back to normal quickly. If a soft reset doesn't work, a hard reset can often resolve more stubborn issues. You can achieve this by locating your vehicle's fuse box, which is usually in the trunk or under the hood. Find the radio fuse, often labeled F37 or F38, and carefully remove it. Wait for about 5 to 10 minutes before putting it back in. Another effective method is to disconnect the negative battery terminal for a few minutes, then reconnect it. This completely cycles power to the system. Sometimes the problem might be more than a simple software glitch. Issues like screen delamination, which looks like bubbles under the surface, or ghost touching, where the screen responds without input, often point to a hardware problem. In these cases, replacing the screen itself is usually the most effective solution. Before that, always check that all wiring connections to your Uconnect system are secure. Also, a gentle cleaning of the screen with a soft cloth can sometimes resolve minor responsiveness issues. While many screen issues can be fixed with these easy methods, some problems require professional attention. If your screen continues to malfunction after trying these steps, it's best to consult a certified technician or your dealership. They have specialized diagnostic tools and can check for any applicable technical service bulletins or warranty coverage. Many Uconnect screen problems are well known, so don't hesitate to seek expert help to ensure a proper and lasting repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.